So first we understand what is Q. So Q is a linear data structure. First I will connect my devices. Q is what? Q. It's a linear data structure. It's a linear data structure that follow FIFO. So we all know that what is Q. Q हम लोगों ने देखी होगी बैंक की लाइन में, फीस काउंटर पर, शॉपिंग सेंटर पर, या जब भी हम किसी मॉल में मूवी टिकट को परचेज करने जाते हैं तो वहां हम लोग एक क्यू देखते हैं. क्यू इज व्हाट? सपोज ये मेरा मूवी काउंटर, जहां से हम मूवी परचेज करेंगे, और यहाँ पर वो सारे लोग खड़े हुए हैं जिन्हें मूवी देखनी है. तो आप देख सकते हो दिस इज द पर्सन 1, पर्सन 2, पर्सन 3, पर्सन 4 and so on. We can create as long as we want the queue. जितनी बड़ी हम क्यू बनाना चाहें उतनी बड़ी क्यू बना सकते हैं. पर्सन 5. तो हमने पढ़ा क्यू फॉलो फीफो. फीफो मीन्स व्हाट? फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. द पर्सन हु कम फर्स्ट. So this person 1 even come first. He bought the ticket. अपना टिकट खरीदेगा, and then after he or she will out from the queue. So it means the person who will come first will go first out. So that's why queue follow FIFO. अगर अब किसी वैल्यू को आना है या किसी पर्सन को आना है तो वो सबसे लास्ट में यहां पर आएगा हमारा P6. तो every queue have two part. First is called front, जहां से हम वैल्यू को डिलीट करेंगे, एंड बैक, जिसे रेयर भी बोलते हैं. So we have two part, front end and rear end. From front end we delete the element, and from rear we insert the record. हम अपने रिकॉर्ड को इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. We insert the record. So queue follow two things, front end and rear end. From front end we can delete the element, and from back end we insert the record. So this is the way how our queue work. So now next we are doing what? How to implement queue. हम queue को implement कैसे करें? So implementation of queue. Implementation of queue in Python. Again, it is very simple in Python to create a queue. First step, create a queue using list. We are using list over here for creating a queue. Second step, insert the record. Insert the record in queue. Third step, display the record. Fourth, delete the record from starting. The element which comes first will go first out. So delete the record from starting, or we can say from front end. Or when we say insert the record in queue, it means from rear end. So this is the simple logic of queue. So let's look how we create queue. Okay, first, our first step, create a queue using stack. तो हम लोग यहाँ पर एक मूवी काउंटर का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, जहां पर हमारे पास पर्सन आएंगे और वहां पर हम पर्सन का नाम और टिकट प्राइस, तो पर्सन नेम और टिकट प्राइस हमारे पास एक आइडेंटिटी हो गई, जिसे हम एक टिकट जनरेट करेंगे, उसे हम क्यू बनाते हैं. तो हम यहाँ पर एग्जांपल लेते हैं मूवी काउंटर. मूवी काउंटर, तो आप लोगों ने सबसे पहले पढ़ा क्रिएट अ क्यू यूजिंग लिस्ट. सिंपल एम्प्टी क्यू बनानी है यूजिंग द लिस्ट. So movie counter equal to empty list. So this is the way how we can create a queue by using list. Or we have another method, movie counter equal to, we can also use the method of list. हम list method का भी use करके list बना सकते हैं, और simple ब्रैकेट का यूज करके भी हम लोग लिस्ट बना सकते हैं. सेकंड, इंसर्ट द रिकॉर्ड इन क्यू. अब क्यू में हम रिकॉर्ड किस तरीके से इंसर्ट करेंगे ये देखते हैं. सिंपल, मुझे सबसे पहले पर्सन नेम यूजर से इनपुट कराना है. एंटर name, the person who's buying the ticket, जो भी टिकट खरीदने आया है, that person name and ticket price. Int input enter ticket price. That work is done by the person who is sitting in the ticket counter. He will enter the person name and he will enter the ticket price. And then what happened? Movie counter, हम यहाँ पर एक वेरिएबल लेते हैं जिसमें इन दोनों वेरिएबल को हम सेव कराएंगे, p name and ticket price. तो सिंपल हम कोई भी एक वेरिएबल लेते हैं, हम ले लेते हैं टिकट, मूवी टिकट, m टिकट, और हम इसे सेव कर देते हैं टपल के अंदर, because we don't want to change anything, neither person name or nor ticket price. So we use over here tuple. So tuple is another sequential data type in Python, and the difference between tuple and list is that the value in tuple cannot be changed. So p name and ticket price, so we write over a product p name, person name and ticket price, and simply add both the value in our queue. Movie counter dot append method we use for inserting the record in list, and M ticket. So this is the way how can we insert the record. Now our third step, which is very easy, how to display the record. So when we want to display the record in queue, we just simply start from the first and go to last. So how we display? First we need to find out the length of queue. It's very easy. Take a variable ln, and after taking a variable ln, just simple write length of movie counter. हमारे मूवी काउंटर के सामने कितने लोग खड़े हुए हैं ये हमें पता पड़ जाएगा just simple using the length function. So this will find out the length of our movie counter queue, and after that we use for loop for I in range. We are starting from 0 and then go to up to length, because for loop will run this loop from starting 0 to length -1, and then after simply write over here print, and then movie counter, our queue name, and simple put I over here. So this is the way how we can display our record. Now next, fourth step, deletion. How we can delete the record from a queue. So for deleting the record from a queue, we know that record is deleted from the queue from front. It means 0th position. Every 0th position in list is first record. So whatever record in the 0th position in list is called first record. So how we delete? First we check whether our movie counter is empty or not. If movie counter equal to simple empty, so we write print movie counter queue is empty. Else, if we have record, then print deleted, या हम कह सकते हैं processed customer is simple movie counter, a person who is standing at the 0th position. The person who is standing at the 0th position is the first person who is buying the ticket, and after that simple delete movie underscore counter dot pop. Pop will do what? And if we put over here 0, so it will always delete a record which is at the 0th position. It means in front of the queue. So simple. We have done all the tasks. So now we are going to our Python IDLE, how to implement. न्यू स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूं मैं आप लोगों के साथ Python. Okay, so I think all of you are watching. New share. This is my Python. Okay. I think now you are all able to watch Python shell, Python ideally. Now let's start. हम अपनी इस क्यू को अलग अलग फंक्शन बनाकर सॉल्व करते हैं. So we have different function, insert function, delete function, display, or whether you can just simply write a single program. हम सिंगल प्रोग्राम बनाकर भी इसे कर सकते हैं, पर फंक्शन बनाकर करेंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. मूवी काउंटर, पहला काम, फर्स्ट मूवी काउंटर इक्वल टू, we just create an empty list. After that, define a function insert. And after defining the function insert, what we are doing over here is just simply take the input of person name and ticket price, and then just save all that detail in the movie counter queue. So now here we are creating our queue and we are creating data for our queue. So we are taking over a result equal to y for checking that whether you want to enter more record or not. Now person name input, enter person name, and then ticket price, int input, ticket price, ticket price. After that, simple, save both the value in a tuple. Now ticket equal to person name, ticket price, and thus simply save both the value in our movie counter queue. So movie counter queue dot append and simple ticket. We just simply write over here ticket. After that, print. Here we are asking, do you want to continue more record? Do you want to enter more record? So whether say yes or no, and just take input in result. Result equal to input. Oh, we have done a mistake over here. After result, we are not applying over here while loop, because कोई loop तो हमने चलाया नहीं, तो continuous चलेगा नहीं. तो simple हम एक काम करते हैं, while result equal to y. ये हम यहाँ लगाना भूल गए. And simply write all the code. Ticket price and then ticket. और ये ऐसा. Now it is okay. We have completed our insert function in which we insert the record. Now delete, define, delete. In delete function, we are doing what? First, we will check whether our counter is empty or not. Movie counter equal to empty. This is a way how we can check whether our queue is empty or not. If queue is empty, simple write print, and movie counter queue is empty. Movie counter queue is empty. Next, else, if we have record in our queue, if we have person in our queue, then process them, print. Processed customer या deleted customer लिख सकते हैं. Processed customer is the person who had bought the ticket, जिसने ticket खरीद लिया. Now movie underscore counter, we just write our first record and then delete that record. First we print the record which we are deleting and simply print that record. Movie underscore counter 0. No, movie underscore counter dot pop. We are using over here pop function to delete the first record. तो हमने यहाँ पर अपना pop function use किया and then everything is fine and good. So now we have done our insert and then we delete record from queue. So we can just simply say that के insert हम यहाँ कर सकते हैं insert the record from rear end using append method, and here we are doing what? Delete the record from front end using pop method of index 0, because index 0 always display front record. Now pop is completed. Define display, which is very simple. Length equal to length of movie counter, and now we are applying for loop. For I in range, we are starting from 0, because in queue we process data from starting, but in stack we process data from last, or we can say from top. So here we process our data from starting till end. So 0 comma length and then 1. It is not mandatory to write, whether you write or not, the third argument. And now we are printing the value, print movie underscore counter, and we display each record in our queue. Now simply we write a simple code how we can process that delete, display and insert function. So here I'm writing a code which ch equal to y, while choice equal to y, and print 1 for, and print 1 for insert, 2 for delete, and 3 for display. Now choice ch equal to int input, enter your choice, whether user enter 1, whether user enter 2, whether user enter 3. So according to that choice, we call the function. If ch choice equal to is 1, then we display what? Insert function. So here we display insert function, simply call that insert function. Else if ch equal to 2, then we call our delete function. And if we call else if choice equal to 3, then we call our display function. Else if user enter apart from 1 to 3, then we simply write wrong choice. Now if user want to okay, now here we have done our if else loop, and at last we check ch equal to input. Ch equal to input. Do you want to continue? Do you want to continue? So whether user enter yes or no, okay, now we have completed our program. So first we check whether we have done any error or not. So first error we found over here, ch equal to y. This is not correct. And ch यहाँ पर हम लिख देते हैं चॉइस चाहिए थी मुझे, तो कोई भी ऑप्शन OP. If option equal to 1, then OP and OP. Now I think it is correct. So first we save that program. Q and simply run. So when we are running that program, I am sharing that window, Python shell. So here we have our choice, whether we want to insert, whether we want to delete, or whether we want to display. So first option is insert. First we insert the record. 1, enter person name. So I am taking name from here, the teachers, Rahul sir. Rahul Bhatia sir. Ticket price, sir is taking 400 rupees price ticket. Now, do you want to enter more record? Yes, bilkul. Enter person name. So now I'm taking another example. Harmeet Kaur ma'am. Harmeet Kaur ma'am. And ticket price we have entered over here, 400. Do you want to enter more record? Yes. Another teacher we are taking over here from Renu ma'am. Renu Taneja. Taneja. Ticket price 500. Yes. One more record we entered, and then we display the display our queue. So Sunny Jain sir. Ticket price. So again 500. Do you want to enter more record? No, we don't want to enter more record. So do you want to continue? Yes, continue for now. So what we are doing, insert, delete or display. Now we want to display the record. 3, enter your choice. So we have an error. What is the error? 0 to length for I in range. The built-in function or method object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Whether we have taken option, हमने option क्या लिया है देखते हैं. Option equal to 3. Display length equal to length. So what is the error? Error देखते हैं अभी. Above while loop. हमने CH लिया, ठीक है, Y बिल्कुल फिट है. ऑप्शन लिया हमने OP इक्वल टू इंट, एंटर योर चॉइस, हमने कहा एंटर चॉइस करो. यहाँ हमने पूछा ऑप्शन इक्वल टू 3, देन वी डिस्प्ले स्पेलिंग इज करेक्ट. Display spelling is correct or not? Yeah, will be correct. Or I in range movie counter. So we change that screen to that code share. What is the error? Here display an error. Built-in function or method object cannot be int. So what is that error? Display पर हम गए option equal to 3. Display wrong input. Spelling of delete, DELETE. Oh हाँ, that delete function, ये हमने यहाँ पर गलत लिख दिया. इसे ठीक करते हैं. अब ठीक है. The error we have find out. अपनी इस error को दूर करते हैं. Simply change. तो हमारा कोड ये है, ये रहा. तो हमें यहाँ पर DELETE, yes. So we just simply now we write our code, run that code. कोड को रन करते हैं. Invalid syntax over here, we agree. और ये save and run. New share Python shell. As we have very less time, so I'm doing very fast. Enter your choice. So 1, person name, I write over here A. Enter ticket price 100. Continue, yes. Person name B, and then we write over here 200. And if we write yes,